When you're elbow deep under a cramped sink trying to fix a leak, you can't exactly drop your wrench to answer a vibrating phone. But here is the uncomfortable math. A dispatch app over here, quoting software over there, and random customer text messages buried on your personal phone. GoHighLevel consolidates all of that front office chaos. It serves as a unified marketing and retention layer, replacing what usually costs $400 to $600 a month in disconnected apps. This diagram compares the two architectures. GoHighLevel is your acquisition layer. It handles your leads, SMS, and reviews. We want to avoid data drift, so it is not built to track your trucks on a GPS map or manage your warehouse inventory. Keep your field operations software for the physical work and use GoHighLevel for the communication. Looking closer at the acquisition layer, you see how it pulls your Google Local Services ads, Facebook messages, emails, and texts into one centralized view on your mobile app. Master this single layer, and you can run your entire lead generation operations straight from the cab of your truck. First, let's fix the biggest revenue leak. Industry data shows contacting a lead within 5 minutes makes them 21 times more likely to book the job. To automate this, open your GoHighLevel dashboard. Navigate down to Settings, click into your business profile, and scroll until you find the Missed Call Text Back feature. Turn it on and type in this exact template. "Hi, this is your company name. I'm currently on a job. Is this a plumbing emergency?" A quick warning, leaving this on the default setting risks creating an annoying customer spam loop. If a frantic homeowner calls 3 times rapidly, they will get hit with 3 identical text messages. To prevent that, you configure a simple custom workflow logic. Add a time delay condition so the system waits before firing again, ensuring you don't annoy the caller. This single automated response acknowledges their emergency immediately. It stops them from hanging up and dialing the next competitor. Step 2 is keeping track of the jobs you do catch. We do this using a Contractor pipeline, which visually tracks every deal from the first ring to the final payment. This pipeline graphic shows your workflow columns: new lead, scheduled, estimate sent, job booked, and invoice paid. Zooming in on estimate sent reveals the biggest bottleneck. High-ticket quotes, like water heater replacements, sit unapproved because you don't have time to follow up. You fix this in the Workflows tab. Build a time-delayed trigger that waits 24 hours and then 48 hours, automatically sending a follow-up text and email asking if they have any questions. Setting up this sequence recovers thousands of dollars from those almost customers, entirely in the background, without you having to chase them down manually. Finally, we leverage the work you've actually finished. In home services, trust prints money. Your local search ranking dictates who gets the emergency click. Inside your pipeline, create a new workflow trigger. Set it to fire the exact moment you drive a customer's card into the invoice paid stage. This flowchart shows the exact automation. When the job is paid, the system automatically sends a polite text message thanking the customer for their business, paired directly with a link to your Google review page. By automating this final step, you steadily build a wall of 5-star reviews for your plumbing business, turning one finished job into 3 new ones by dominating the "plumber near me" search results. When you weigh the $97 a month against the value of a single high-ticket job, the math is undeniable. If the automated text back system catches just one active leak heading to a competitor, it pays for the software for the entire year in a single afternoon. Modern front office software functions as a mechanical plug for your revenue leaks, making it a profit-generating asset rather than a line item expense. When your communication is handled automatically, you arrive at the customer's home perfectly briefed and ready to work. Setting up this system frees you to get off your vibrating phone. You stop losing leads to faster competitors, and you get back to doing the work that actually pays.